Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create this beautiful geometric repeat pattern in the app Hipaint. I'll be giving step-by-step instructions, so don't skip the video anywhere. Let's get started. So here in my Hipaint app I am going to open a 1:1 ratio canvas because I am going to make use of that square shape. So I'm going for 1:1 ratio canvas, and here I'm going to use this tiling tool to create this repeat pattern, and I'm going to use the pink color first on my first layer. Now I'm using the transform tool to adjust it little bit, make it a little bit smaller, and place it at the center like this. It is not required to be perfectly at the center, so don't worry. Now swipe like this, duplicate, and here make it as a clipping layer for our first layer. And in the clipped layer I am going to drop this color, which is slightly different from the first layer color, and using the transform tool I'm going to move it. Since we are in the clipping layer, the original layer is under and it is visible now, and now I'm going to copy the duplicated layer again and drop the color something like mild purple, and drag it like this. So you have to drag it diagonally, and again copy, drop a different color like this, and move it little bit diagonally. Same process for the next two times. Duplicate, drop blue color, and I'm moving it again. Try to create the same distance between each color, so it will come out really good. And this is the last color, and placing it like this. So now the shape is ready. Now I want all this to be in a single layer, so going to the top layer and clicking merge all, because the tiling tool can be will work only on a single layer, so it will not work as a group. So I'm just merging all this together and duplicating that shape one for the reference, and on the top layer I'm going to work. Click on the tiling tool and click on the I drag the anchor points, and here you can see there are three options. You can try all these three, and I'm going for the last one, and adjust these parameters, horizontal and vertical parameters. Here I want it to be exact diamond shape, and I don't want space between each shape, and I want it to touch that corners perfectly. Now I'm adjusting the space between each also, and if you have any gap, can see there is a gap in this aqua blue color, so I'm going to make it perfect by rotating a little bit and adjusting the anchor points of that tile slightly. Okay, now it looks perfect. Here you can see, and once everything came out well, just drag it down, just drag this tile down by dragging down the anchor point, and here we got the pattern we required, and click on the tick. So here is our geometric pattern. It is almost as we have done in 3 to 4 minutes, and now export it as JPG. Here I will show you how it looks. This is our geometric pattern. Hope you like this tutorial. If so, subscribe to my channel and check all my Hipaint videos in my playlist. Also, tell me in the comments below what kind of tutorial you want. Thank you for watching. Bye.